Hi. Do you want to learn how to plan effectively for your personal and professional goals? Do you struggle with managing your time, prioritizing your tasks, or staying focused on your vision? If so, then you might be interested in enrolling in our 101 Planning course. This course has been developed by Dr. Mahmoud El-Halabi, a training expert and the founder of Skilltex, and introduced by me, Amy. We will teach you the basics of planning, such as how to set smart goals, how to break down your projects into manageable steps, how to use tools and techniques to organize your schedule and track your progress, and how to overcome common challenges and obstacles that might get in your way. By the end of this course, you will have a clear and realistic plan for achieving your desired outcomes, whether it's launching a new business, completing a degree, or improving your health and wellness. You will also have the skills and confidence to adapt and adjust your plan as needed, and to cope with any changes or uncertainties that might arise. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to improve their planning skills, regardless of their background or experience level. It is also flexible and self-paced, so you can learn at your own convenience and comfort. Plus, you will get access to a supportive community of fellow learners and instructors who will provide you with feedback and guidance along the way. So what are you waiting for? If you want to take charge of your life and achieve your goals faster and easier, then enroll in our 101 Planning course today. Let's get started.